Hello everyone. I want to talk about bicycle safety today. First of all, let's talk about your apparel you wear. Pretty obvious. Everyone should have a bicycle helmet for safety reasons. It's almost mandatory. It's like a seatbelt in a car. Something else I also wear is bicycle gloves. Helps me get a better grip on my handlebars and also in case of a fall. So that's another good apparel to have. And also, if you look at my jacket, I got this nice nylon riding bicycle jacket on Amazon for about $30, and it packs up nicely. It can go in my saddlebag if it gets warm, and then I would wear this bright neon shirt. So make sure on your apparel that you have nice bright clothing for traffic to see you. Another thing that's very important on your bike is lights. Have good front lights. I have some on a strobe mode. I want to make sure I'm seen by the oncoming traffic, and anyone approaching me from the rear will also see my flashing LED tail light. So you want to be visible. We're talking about daytime riding, not night riding of course, but it's very important to have reflectors and some good lights. Another thing you should have, of course, is a bell. If you're on a trail or something and approaching some walkers or passing another biker, it's good to give them a signal. And here's your best friend for safety. It's your rear view mirror on your bicycle. This is your best friend and probably the most important item on your bike. So you can see what's coming behind you, what the traffic is doing, are they pulling over, or there's going to be any other conflict. So another device I always carry with me is a cell phone. Not to text or talk while I'm biking, but in case you have a mishap, you're on a back road or something and you need help, it's always good to bring your cell phone with you for safety purposes. Part of your bicycle safety is bicycle maintenance. My bicycle maintenance starts early in the spring when I take it to a local cycle shop and get it tuned up before the season starts. Some of you are handy, you can do it yourself, but make sure before you start your riding season that it's had a good check over, it's well lubricated, and all your cables, brakes, etc. have been checked over. Another thing for good bicycle maintenance, I have a good tire pressure gauge I got here, and I always check my pressures, and I know my tires call for 50 to 75 psi, and I keep them around 65, and this is 64. I don't like it too full or too light. I like to have a little bit of give, so around 65 psi for these tires is perfect. Another thing I do regularly after every couple rides, get a bit of lubricant like WD-40, and you can spray the chain, the sprocket, the gears, etc., just to keep it nice and lubricated. Another thing I always carry in my saddlebag is two tools. I've got an Allen wrench and a Phillips screwdriver, and these two tools can tighten every screw or bolt on my bicycle. And the last thing I do before I put my bike away is give it a little wipe down with a detergent such as Fabulosa. I just give it a little spray to wipe all the dirt and the grime off, especially if you've been on a trail. Just helps to keep the bike clean and keep it riding smoothly.